Want to create stunning commercial videos like this? It's actually very simple. AI can do it all in one click. Let me show you how. First, go to the Fotor AI Video Generator and choose the text-to-video feature. Fotor has just launched its brand new model, Fotor Director 2.0, perfect for cinematic multi-shot storytelling. To write your prompt, use this format: camera shot description plus your creative scene description. If you want multiple shots, simply add cut to at the end of each segment. For example, you can make a Starbucks ad like this. Then set the aspect ratio, duration, and definition and click the Generate button. After just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Click to play your generated clip. And remember, AI results can vary a bit, so if the first video isn't perfect, try generating again. Fotor also added a brand new sound feature, so you can add a custom soundtrack or use keyframes to sync music perfectly with your clip. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and explore more AI video tips.